is made with its always made here at Snoqualmie Falls. I'll be taking you along for an incredible hike that leads to the base of the falls, allowing for an amazing, incredible viewing experience. We'll get to hear the roar of the falls, the mist against our face, and get some exercise to boot. With more than 1.5 million visitors each year, Snoqualmie Falls is one of Washington State's most popular scenic attractions. It is most famously well known for the cult television series Twin Peaks. There is a 2-acre park, an observation deck, a gift shop, an espresso stand, restrooms, and of course, the Salish Lodge. Snoqualmie Falls is a 268-foot waterfall on the Snoqualmie River between Snoqualmie and Falls City, Washington. This beautiful scene before me just takes my breath away. I'm in complete awe. It's so picturesque. You have this incredible view of all these trees, the gorgeous landscape, the sounds of the fall as it hits the Snoqualmie River. I have no words to truly describe what I'm feeling. It takes you completely out of your zone. If I could, I'd come here every weekend. It's just one of those feelings that takes you somewhere that I can't even describe. Now it's time to start our hike. Come along. We're about to start our hike to the base of the falls, and with the new renovations that Puget Sound Energy did on the trails in the fall of 2013, looks great. Puget Sound Energy is committed to sustainable land use practices at Snoqualmie Falls Park, such as controlling invasive species, maintaining diversity, and providing clean energy. Approximately 1% of Puget Sound Energy sales comes from the plant. 2 power plants provide 44,000 kilowatts of electricity, which is enough to service 16,000 average homes. In this forest, you will find features common to the western slope of the Cascade Mountains, where there is typically a generous amount of rainfall. This is a zone once logged near the end of the 19th century, making it a second growth forest. You know what I like about this? Is the peace and quietness of it all. Oh wow, I've never seen anything like this before, and how the moss grows on the trees like that. Penstocks play a crucial role in the transformation of flowing water into electricity. Penstocks are large, high-pressure pipes that carry river water into the power plant. After reaching the bottom of the trail, we discovered the parking lot behind you and found out that it's wheelchair accessible and there's restrooms. There's no reason for you to not come here. So these stairs from the parking lot take you straight to the Snoqualmie River. The rapids here at Snoqualmie Falls are so intense. I'd say they're about a level 3 or a level 4 rapids. They're perfect for kayaking and rafting. This is just a beautiful scene. It's just incredible. I feel like I'm in heaven just standing right here, feeling the breeze hitting me. Oh, I don't even want to move. You've got the sun glaring down, you've got the glistening of the water. Who would want to leave here? I would definitely want to come back here just to stand right here. It's amazing. Looking out at the rapids and feeling the breeze against my skin, it does truly feel like heaven. I already know I said it earlier, but I'm saying it now again. I feel like I'm sitting on top of the world. I'm so relaxed. Oh.